From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in a very wet Des Moines, welcome to Iowa Live. I am Lou, and we are excited to head on over and chat with our good friend Andrew Reinhardt from Valley View Medical Clinic. Hello, Andrew. How are you? Staying dry?
Hello, yes, I am. I'm doing well. How are you?
Great, yeah. We have like nasty weather outside right now, and we understand that's happening a bunch of parts in the country at the same time. But you know something? Nasty weather on the outside means great cuddle weather on the inside. And if that makes you a little uncomfortable because you have a certain condition, gentlemen, Andrew has just the answer for you, don't you?
Yes, we certainly do. We're talking about ED, erectile dysfunction, which I know is a sensitive topic, but so many men are struggling with it. I'm yet to meet a man with ED that enjoys the pill, the pharmacy, and the side effects. I believe those days are over. Valley View Medical Clinic uses a technology. This is called wave therapy, and here's what it does. It delivers gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, which causes, and this is clinical, by the way, those blood vessels to expand and open up. It's more blood flow in the bedroom, and we've helped a lot of men get rid of the ED without the use of pills.
Now, Andrew, do people that have this treatment, do they say it's kind of like a vibration sensation? Is that what it feels like?
Yeah, a little bit. It's about a 10 or 15 minute session. The device is placed on the skin. It's acoustic pressure waves. So you don't feel much. It's not painful or invasive, but you'll feel something. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal. There's no recovery time to this at all.
Yeah, and you mentioned people aren't real excited about taking pills for a variety of different reasons. First of all, it's like pulling the pin on a grenade. You never know when it's going to take effect, one of those type of things. So you got to time it out. You get the headaches that are associated with it. But just drugs in general, we're avoiding this altogether, aren't we?
Yeah, that's right. For 30 years, it's been drugs. It's been medication and chemicals. I believe this is the first and only thing that actually goes to the root cause problem. Most erectile dysfunction is caused by damaged blood vessels. So it's a physical problem. It needs a physical solution. And that's exactly what this technology can deliver.
Okay, so you have this physical problem. You come in for treatment. How soon after being treated can patients expect to have some results?
Well, the average guy, and this is according to the Cambridge study, the average guy needs a few sessions over a couple of weeks. So that's a pretty short window. But I will say this. A lot of men report improvements in the bedroom starting with the first treatment. It gets better. It gets progressively better, and the blood flows more naturally.
Yeah, and another thing that's really convenient about Valley View Medical Clinic, they're located in Pleasant Hill, right off the bypass in University. It's so easy to get to. You can see it from the bypass, on University there. But you guys are open 6 days a week for your convenience.
We certainly are. We're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. Men come in for consultations. They come in for their treatments, long hours, and it doesn't take all that long to notice significant differences in the bedroom.
All right, let's get everybody some information. And how about a special offer right now?
If you're out there struggling with ED, if you're noticing that this is negatively affecting your relationship, grab your phone, call us before this segment ends. The exam, the assessment, and the blood flow ultrasound, we'll do it free. The gift that produces results in the bedroom in minutes is also included. You'll love it, worth hundreds of dollars. It's totally free to callers now.
Okay, here is the number. You see it on your screen there. It's a 515 area code, obviously, because we're here in Pleasant Hill. 300, and then just keep dialing fives until somebody answers. So it's 515-300-5555 to get a hold of Valley View Medical Clinic. And it really only takes a day or two to make an appointment, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's right. We can get you in pretty quickly. You can start treatments pretty quickly. This is the lunch break treatment, so it doesn't take all that long.
Yeah, I'm glad you said that, too. So if you're working somewhere, you can just make a pit stop over there, take care of business, and then get underway with the rest of your day. And again, only 10-minute treatments when you're in the office, so that is really an added benefit. Andrew Reinhardt, a great job as always. Thank you for that special offer. One more time, 515-300-5555. You take care of yourself, and we will talk to you next week.
Thanks for having me.